probably the biggest difference from last year to this year is his ability to do that. And, you know, in an age of specialization in all sports and even within the teams themselves, there's not a lot of three-down defensive linemen that you see out there, but he's definitely one of them, and they've got one too in that Bosa kid. Gardner's a bigger guy, style-wise. That's a good question. I think the offense is different. That from a style standpoint, I don't know if there's a lot of schematic similarities. What they asked them to do is a little bit different. What I would tell you the similarity is given the opportunity, both guys can really hurt you with their feet. And I think you have to account for them. You have to account for them in the run game. And you have to account for them when you're rushing the passer, too, because if you don't have somebody designated for him,